I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to break down the Vortex gas cap install on our 2018 STG M4 Ecstar Suzuki GSX-R1000 project bike. We're going to open up by releasing the fuel cap, right? Open it up. You need to remove these three fasteners I'm showing you right here. That is a 4mm internal hex. I am ready to get rid of this OEM fuel cap. You know, done a couple of days riding on it now at the track. Got one full day and 3 damp sessions. And Max is like, Dad, when are you gonna put a gas cap on the bike? Okay, stock one is removed. That is easy. Let's take a look at this. The quality of machining is great. The finish is great. It's got a little lock on it. That's pretty badass. The cap itself there, it's a screw-on type design. Vent. The vent for the base, right? It's going to utilize these 2 holes here. Is right here. That flows up in. And then you've got the cap. You have a seal here that seals the base off, and you have another seal here that actually is going to keep the fuel in the tank, okay? 2 vent holes here, atmospheric, and then there is a relief right here in that cap. You might not be able to see it between the silver and the black. Okay, that is going to allow the vent for the fuel cap base to do its job. Before I install this, I'm going to put just a tiny little bit of multi-purpose grease on these threads to ensure that I'm able to get it off and put it back on with ease. Okay, now we're ready to bolt the base to the top of the tank. You want to make sure the seal is in position, okay? It installs with the lock facing the rear of the bike. You want to line up the holes like so. We're going to use the stock hardware, same bolts that held down that factory cap. Drop those in position. Let's get each one of them started, just a couple of threads. Once I've done that, I'll just come back and run them down to the just finger tight. Get them snugged up, keeping everything even. And once they're all run down all the way, I'll go ahead and apply some final torque. These bolts do not require a ton of torque. Very small fasteners, really no stress here. So I'm going to use as a T-handle. As stated previously, the O-rings were already lubricated when I received this from Vortex. I put just a little bit of multi-purpose grease on the threads to ensure smooth operation. Lock position. Like so. Nice quality piece. Looks great on the bike. This is the same stuff that Team M4 Ecstar Suzuki is using on their race bikes. What you will find with this too is it's a little tighter initially when you first start using it, right? So expect that. But after you've taken it on and off a couple of times, it's going to get a whole heck of a lot easier. Looks great on the bike, eliminates the key. This is perfect for a track or a race bike. Also a great mod for a street bike.